Hi, I'm Christina and welcome to my channel, ChriskaYoga. In today's video, I am taking a request from someone who contacted me on Instagram with a video request when I asked for video requests in my Insta story. If you're not following me on Instagram, definitely head over there, stay up to date. Check out my Insta stories, see what's going on, submit requests for videos. So shout out to Sophia, thank you for making this request. In today's video, we will be doing a 10-minute bedtime yoga routine. I had already made a 10-minute bedtime yoga routine, I think maybe twice on this channel already, but in today's video, I am doing a refreshed, brand new 10-minute bedtime yoga routine. So if you're not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell underneath the video. It's free to subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of this YouTube community. We're almost at 13,000 subscribers, and I am so grateful that you're all here and taking my yoga classes, watching my videos, so thank you so much. Speaking of being grateful, thank you to those who have donated to this channel. Thank you so much to those who have donated already. If you would like to donate, support this channel, support the work. Do you like these free YouTube videos, these free yoga classes on YouTube? Consider giving a donation and giving back. These videos cost time, energy, and money to make, so if you like them and you have the means, then a donation would be greatly appreciated. Also, you can join my membership site. I am giving away 30-day free trials for my new yoga membership site. It's still fairly new, it's only 2 months old. My Yoga Habit is what it's called. It's all about helping you to create a yoga habit in your life for real, a real sustainable habit where you practice yoga all the time, regularly, and it becomes a part of your life. That is the mission of this membership site, and so far I've gotten some great feedback from the members. Shout out to all my current members. If you would like to join, the 30-day free trial won't be up forever. I'm not going to leave it up forever. So consider trying it out now while it's still available so that you can get a whole month for free and you can experience all of the classes that I already have on there, and there are tons. And then I add new classes every single month and new guided meditations, exclusive live streams for the members. There's just a lot that you get, and it's definitely worth it. So check it out. It's free for an entire month, and I really hope you join me over there as well. So with that being said, let's go to sleep. Grab your yoga mat, or you can do this in bed as well and drift to sleep after, and let's get started. Come down onto your hands and knees for a child's pose. Touch your big toes together, separate your knees apart, sit your hips onto your heels. Relax your torso over your thighs, bring your forehead to the floor, keep your arms out in front of you. Breathe as you relax your torso over your thighs, lengthening your spine. Close your eyes for a moment, begin to deepen your breath. With each inhale, feel your back expanding, your rib cage in the back, expanding wide. And with each exhale, feel it coming back in. Remain here. Lift your head up slightly, twist to the right, bringing your left arm underneath your right, top of the hand to the floor, left temple to the ground, and twist. Unwind from your twist and come into twist on the other side. Thread your right arm underneath your left. Bring your right temple to the floor. Keep your left arm out in front and twist. Slowly unwind from your twist and come to lying on your back. From here, hug the right leg in towards the chest, flexing both of your feet. Hold on to the shins. Breathe into your right hip socket, feeling a gentle stretch in the right glutes and the right hamstrings, and hold. From here, take the right leg, cross it over to the left side of your body. Twist your upper body to the right, reach the right arm out to the side, keep the right shoulder on the floor, keeping the left hand on your right leg to help keep it over to the side, and hold in your twist. Come back to the center, place the right foot down, straighten the right leg, switch sides, hugging the left in towards the chest, hold on to the shins, flexing your feet. Breathing into your left hip socket, feeling a gentle stretch in the left hamstrings, the left glutes. Remain here. Take the left leg, cross it over to the right side of your body, keeping the right hand on the leg to help keep it over. Twist your upper body to the left, stretching the left arm out, and looking over to the left as well. Hold here and breathe. And slowly unwind from your twist. We'll take our final pose of the sequence, Savasana. Stretch your legs out onto the ground, separate them apart. You can use the Shavasana to gently drift into sleep, but for now, relax your limbs, place your hands down onto the floor, palms facing up, close your eyes, relax, and breathe. Begin to focus on your breathing, focusing on your inhales and your exhales, the changes that the breath makes in your body, the way the breath feels as it moves in and out. And relax here in your Shavasana.